Today, the JOSKIN brand is represented by more than 600 authorized dealers all over the world. The machines are exhibited at the most renowned trade shows of the sector and far beyond, including numerous open days at the dealer's premises. The JOSKIN brand is therefore always close to you. If you are more into digital technology, JOSKIN is also easily accessible at any time via social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. The company also has a modern and comprehensive website, which provides an easy access to all technical and useful information. In addition to explanations, you will find detailed photos, digital brochures, and, since recently, a 100% immersive digital showroom. There's nothing better to explore your next machine in a delightful way. If you prefer to discover the JOSKIN machine and its manufacturing process on place, you're more than welcome to visit our Technic Center in Soumagne, Belgium, or in Srianka, Poland. There you will experience the knowledge of our designers and the professionalism of our industrial production. Perhaps you will find yourself immersed in the technical atmosphere surrounding the production of the machines, and together with the advice from our sales representatives, make the best choice for future investments.